to some that bed behind me. We call it in Dagajan. Wow, look at me. Bye. Hello, birds. How are you? Are you good? This is how environments look like. At the zoo, enjoying like this by paying only 5,000. You pay $2 for local, and you come with a fish, and you do this one. Behind you, there is a bed. Dagajon. Woo! So good. Oh, Tanzania, we want to save you. We want to save you, Tanzania. Just like a doctor, we want to save you, Tanzania. Just like a teacher, we want to save you, Tanzania. Just like a soldier, we want to save you, Tanzania. Just like a tourist. Whoo! Wow. What's happened? How does it look? Look somehow. It's supposed to be very careful. This one is man-made, so don't get challenged so much. I say that this one is made by a person, so don't feel it's so comfortable. It can be black, and then you're going to get a very big accident. Something which I like. Do you see the bed there? Oh, a big bed there. Just doing like this one in front of the bed. Woo. Swing in front of the bed. Oh, just swing like this. New video, but I not do it. Wonderful video. East Africa is good, brother. For international tourists, I think you're supposed to pay very few money. $4. Just come and enjoy the fresh air, relax after doing a hard job. Ooh. Some more tabs. Perhaps I can go to another place. You do something too much is helpful. This is the swing. Just swing. Don't like. You do like this one. That is what happened. But I'm going to another. This one is Kano. Something which I like so much that when you're here, I don't know how strong this one is look like. Is it strong? Somewhat strong. Let me put my bag here. Oh, I asked them if I can come direct to this place, and they're doing it like this. And they say, "Oh, you can do it." Oh, this one. Ooh. Hello, brother Arnold. Brother lwijisyo. How's the cut? Oh, I'm just a flight, guys. So more cumbersome. Let's look. First, my bag can swing. Swing my bag. I have flied me. My bag swing. Oh, swing. This one is first the little people. They can do it, but for me, already enough 20, 40 something doing challenge issue. People can be surprised. But this one, oh, this one I can do. Oh, swing. The gajoni there. Did a press like this one, and you see the gajoni there. How the gajones look like. Oh, so good. Oh, awesome. No. Feeling good. Look at there. Oh, look at that one. So good. So cherished to have something like that one. And there is the channel of my young brother. My young brother's channel is known as Lusajo David. Lusajo David. If you are not yet subscribed to my young brother, so hardworking, go and subscribe to my young brother's channel known as Lusajo David. It's going to give you a lot of video. I tell you, the brother is so genius, so humble, so hardworking. So go direct to Lusajo David YouTube, like Lusajo David is supposed to have a lot of video. I tell you, a lot of video. But for this channel, this one is 2 month channel. But among very, oh, can say what can I say? Fire channel. This one is fire channel because I give you a content day and night. I just give you a new things. I just give you a new content so that you can enjoy. Not only enjoy, but so that you can have a lot of knowledge. Do you see the bed there? That's the work of I am lwijisyo channel. We are going to travel a lot of places. We are going to see a lot of things. Wow, this channel is somehow amazing. And let's see the bed itself. Look, birds. I love it. Oh, oh, bed. Look at the birds. How it look like? Oh, so good to be here. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can have another video. Oh.